Every photo opened in Pastello is automatically transformed into a pastel drawing. You can use the original button to view it before and after, but today we're going to create a charcoal drawing, so go to the Layers palette to delete the pastel layer, then add a charcoal one. As with the traditional drawing, Pastello starts out light, then allows the media to be built up using the fill and detail layers. After choosing fill, adjust the strokes so they're large and loose. Even though charcoal is a monotone media, you can use the Color Enhance slider to bring out more detail. However, the pressure and background fill sliders are the better options for making strokes and shaded areas darker. When creating charcoal drawings, I prefer to use a darker paper behind to enhance the drawing. You can change this on the paper layer using the color box and the color picker. On this layer, you can also add an artistic edge, which I will show you how to do in a moment. Fill layer looks great, so I'm going to add a detail layer now. There are two ways to do this. One is to add a new charcoal layer, change the style to detail, then adjust the stroke size smaller. Or you can duplicate the fill layer, adjust it to detail, then decrease the stroke size. Turning off the fill layer while doing this will make the adjustments easier and will help you to see the changes better. Turning the charcoal layer back on shows you how the fill and detail settings come together. To keep the layers organized, add detail to the layer name. Next, I want to show you tools to remove little areas of detail in the drawing. To do this, I'll turn off the charcoal fill layer, then choose the Erase tool. To add detail back in, switch to the Brush tool. To soften and blend the strokes, I'm going to turn off the detail layer and turn on the charcoal layer. Using the Smudge tool, I'll soften the sky by brushing. You can use these tools to remove detail or smudge to blend strokes on any of the layers. With all the layers turned on, you can now see our completed charcoal drawing. Here it is, before and after. To finish up the tutorial, I'll go back to the paper layer to show you how to apply an artistic edge. Once you choose an edge from the library, it's applied around the drawing. If you're using a desktop version, hold the Shift key to constrain the edge while resizing to keep the edge in proportion. Or if you're using an iPad version, use the selection dots to adjust each of the sides separately. The charcoal drawing is complete, and this concludes the video. If you don't already own Pastello, you can try the desktop products for free at jixipix.com.